Di ba, sinabi natin in my previous video on criminal justice, we have other courts. You have the Court of Appeals, you have the regional trial courts, you have the municipal trial courts in cities, municipal trial courts and municipal circuit trial courts, Sharia court, okay, the Sandigan Bayan, okay, all cases in which the constitutionality or validity of any treaty, international or executive agreement, law, presidential decree, proclamation, order, instruction, ordinance, or regulation in question. Remember, during the time of President Duterte, when he declared martial law and asked for another extension, this was raised before the Supreme Court on the validity of the proclamation declaring the whole country under state of martial law. And the Supreme Court ruled on this matter. So, pwede. Diba? For example, gusto nating i-question yung IDCA, Enhanced Defense, diba? Agreement, no? So, you go to the Supreme Court. All cases involving the legality of any tax, imposed, assessment, or toll, or any penalty imposed in relation thereto. So, pwede. May mga new taxes, even if it is approved by Congress, you can ask the Supreme Court. All cases in which the jurisdiction of any lower court is in issue. Ibig sabihin ng jurisdiction, yung authority to hear the case. For example, you file a case of murder. Dapat i-file mo sa regional trial court. Pag i-file mo ito sa municipal trial court, yon ang maging issue ang jurisdiction. Tama? Maliwanag na doon sa kaso na file mo, issue of jurisdiction. Another issue here is sino ang may power over a particular public official. Di ba? Hindi siya, sabi na, hindi ako doon sa Sandigan Bayan. Dapat dito lang ako sa Regional Trial Court. So there is an issue on that. So you'd like to question that. Pwedeng mag-rule ang Supreme Court. All criminal cases in which the penalty is reclusion perpetua or higher. Diba? Life sentence or death. All criminal cases in which the penalty imposed is reclusion perpetua or higher. If the law decided to convict you for life and sentence for life sentence, impose a life sentence, automatically reviewed by the Supreme Court. Since death penalty is already abolished, so ang pinakataas na penalty is reclusion perpetua. Should it be restored back, the same can be reviewed by the Supreme Court. All cases in which only an error or question of law is involved. Yon, ito ay under the powers of the Supreme Court. Di ba? Sabi mo, itong batas na ito, mali yung interpretation ng lower court. Kasi hindi ako kasali. Sabi ng lower court, kasali ako. So, question of law, whether I am included or not. you may elevate that before the Supreme Court. Okay. So, in addition, under Section 5, paragraph or number 3, assign temporarily judges of lower courts to other stations as public interest may require. Such temporary assignment shall not exceed 6 months without the consent of the judge concerned. So, ang ibig sabihin, pwedeng isang hukom ma-assign siya sa ibang area provided that he has to give his consent. Also, there is this project of the Supreme Court, Justice on Wheels, di ba? In areas na wala hukom, malayo, no? Mayroon silang bus, may schedule, mag-hearing to serve our people who resides in far-flung areas. Another, under number 4, order of change of venue or place of trial to avoid a miscarriage of justice. Diba? Ang Supreme Court lang ang may power to change the place of trial or the venue. Remember, if you were following that famous case involving a rape victim na si Mayor Sanchez, may his soul rest in peace because he already died in our penitentiary. Diba? Ang kaso hindi doon sa kanilang bayan kung hindi nilipat sa Makati. Yun. Pwedeng transfer of venue. Transfer of place of trial. Venue is the place of trial. Kasi kung doon mo i-file sa kaniyang bayan,